how to use leftover rice as a breakfast cereal. For those of you who don't know how to make rice, I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to cook rice, and then I'll put a link below. We have a video that explains that in much more detail. Also, you can use any kind of leftover rice, brown rice, white rice, there's boil in the bag rice, there's little cups of ready rice, so you have many options for it. My saucepan is heating and the ratio is 1 part rice and 2 parts water. My saucepan has started to heat up. I'm adding some salt. That, of course, would be optional. You want to toast the grain. It will slightly change in color. You can see it's starting to toast a little bit. It also makes a popping sound. At this point, bring it back to a boil. Now that it's come to a boil, continue to keep it covered. Reduce the heat to low. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Check it at 20 minutes. White rice takes 20 to 30 minutes to finish, and brown rice will take about 40 to 45. While it's cooking, don't be tempted to lift the lid. We want all of that liquid to stay in the rice. The rice is finished. All of the liquid has been absorbed, and I let it steam for 5 to 10 minutes. It's already done that. So at this point, I fluff it up. While the rice was cooking, I plumped some raisins, and that means I put some in a little container with water just covering them, and I microwaved it. This softens them. Now to serve this, you'll just put some rice in your bowl. Put a couple raisins on top. I like it with some cinnamon, so you can put a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can put some vanilla. This happens to be a powdered vanilla. And I like some brown sugar. So you can sweeten it or not. That would be your choice. And stir it up. Now this is ready to eat just like this. However, I normally am adding some type of plant milk. Now look at that beautiful bowl of breakfast. Such a great comfort food. It tastes so delicious, very similar to eating rice pudding. I hope you'll give it a try. Have a great day.